What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I'm a little happy because I got something for the Q. You guys are gonna see in this video. So as far as a little hint, I have to vacuum out the inside because it's a little dirty. I mean, I vacuumed it probably last week and it's already dirty because the car stays under a tree sometimes and it's just ridiculous. But other than that, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks and we're gonna get to installing this this nice little thing that I think will make the Q look a little luxurious. So as you can see, everything is cleaned. Now it's just time to see what I bought. And hopefully they sent the right part. Also, I won't be upset. But now let's open the box. All right, so here is the box. Let me go ahead and crack this bad boy open. I've never seen anything come in a vacuum seal bag, but hey, if it's good, it's good. I ain't complaining. I care less how it came. All right, so they got the color right. And as you can see, I got diamond stitch floor mats. So let's go ahead and throw them in the Q. I think I'm gonna keep the old mats in here, just so if there's like a hole that gets down onto this, it shouldn't go through the rug. Oh, then it's the right side. Okay, yeah. Shit, I think it's the right side. Hold on, let me put it on the other side and see if that's right. Before I put them in, let me show you guys what stock mats look like. Obviously, if you have a Q, you already know what this looks like. But for the people that don't, that's what the inside of the stock Q looks like, minus the lights. So I definitely had this wrong. That's the back one. So somehow the ones that I had on the other side are for this side. So how, I don't know. But I have no idea. Yeah, there's no way these could fit on this side, but the mats on the other side have like indentions for your foot.
One eternity later.
Right at the bat, let me go ahead and say I'm a little slow. So I had this way, and I'm wondering, there's no area on this side of the car for that. Then my ass flipped it around. So yeah. Just know that if it doesn't look like it fits, odds are you got it backwards. So let me throw everything in here. I think it should be self-explanatory, but I'm gonna throw everything in here and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it came out pretty decent. So I mean, for what it costs, it's not bad. I will say for the back one, there's gonna be, there's gonna be like a bunch of like material left over. You're gonna want to pull these clips forward, pick the seat up, and just put them under there. I will say, like, at the sides of the front, it looks like you're gonna want to take out the pillar and stick it under there. I'm probably not gonna do that right now, but As you can see, I kind of did it over here, so it looks a lot better. But yeah, for the money, I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. This is what the driver's side looks like. Yeah, it's a little bunched up like at the sides, even on that side too. I'm not gonna lie, the pillars like on the right side, like towards the passenger side, it's a little hard to split it, to shove the material up in there. So that's gonna take a little finessing. But yeah, like I said, you'll probably have to take off these side pillars so you can stick this excess material under there. Hopefully it goes back properly, but I'm save that for another day. But other than that, yeah, I'll leave the link down below. Again, for the money, it's gonna get the job done. Can't complain. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.